Yeah, hello viewers. This is your one and only Geshnapia Dankwa, and I welcome you once again to our channel, Live Brother Support Network. Today, I was in the house. My beautiful sister over here called me to come and help you do something. So, sister, what's up?
Okay. I called you for you to come around, help me fix myself with liquid soap and fabric softener. Yes.
So what's
the
that?
main reason for me doing this is that I have a washing machine. I've been buying detergents. It's so costly.
Okay.
So I decided to call my brother, as he's always in the business doing LBS stuffs. A whole lot, training a lot. The thing too is in my house.
Okay.
Why don't I call him to come and help me? So I decided to call him. So this morning we are here to prepare liquid soap and fabric softener
For your washing
for
machine.
my washing machine. That
So
is
Charlie, if you have a washing machine in the house and buying detergents, this Omo and washing powder is too costly for you, you can give us a call. We will come and train you on how to do your own detergent, your own liquid detergents, and your own fabric softener for your washing machine, and it will save you a whole lot. So we are here to do that. So Charlie, follow. Yeah, so guys, this is our ingredient for making our liquid detergent. We have our base over here, sodium lauryl sulfate. This is normal salt, normal table salt. Then we have our thickener powder. This is thickener powder. We have our booster powder for foaming. We have our sulfonic also for foaming. We have our betaine, cocobetane. This is also for foaming. Then we have our CDE. It's a thickener liquid. This is fragrance. We have our color over here, color blue. This is preservative. We have our stain removing agent. This is caustic soda. This is soda ash. So what we have to do is to just mix all of this together. So Charlie, you just follow us and see what is going on. So guys, we are done with our liquid detergent, and this is how it looks like. Okay, we will just leave this to settle overnight. Then in the morning we can package and use it when needed. All right, so shall they give us a call and let's teach you how to do this for your washing machine. Okay, let's move on to the next. So guys, we are here to do the fabric softener. Normally we call it after wash. Okay, so the things we will need, this one is called flakes, little sterile alcohol. Okay, and this is called citramonium chloride. We call it softener over here.
Okay.
Then we will give it preservative to preserve them. Then obviously fragrance. So basically these are the ingredients we will need for our fabric softener. So we will just melt this on fire, add this to it. Then after that we pour it into a larger container and we top it up with water to the preferred thickness. We add our fragrance, our preservative, and that is all, we are done. So Charlie, watch us.
Do I have to stay?
Yes. Intermittently, you stir so that.
Can I use this?
Don't use anything you use for cooking.
Oh, see, I need everything is melted.
So as all the flakes are melted now, you can add the softener. So add the softener.
Which one? This one?
The softener.
This Do I have to stay?
Yes. So at this moment, we can take it off the fire and pour it into a larger.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
And we pour it into a larger bowl. Yes. Then we'll be adding water just as the way we're doing our liquid detergents. It's as simple as that. So guys, this is our fabric softener. What is left for us is to add our fragrance, okay? But it's still hot, so we are going to leave this to cool down completely before we add our fragrance to it. So Charlie, you end it over here. Then continue tomorrow in the morning. We show you the final results of all the products, okay? Then we test it in our washing machine for you to have a look at it. So guys, we are done with our liquid detergents, and this morning we are going to try to wash this bed sheets for you to see how effective and foamy it is. Okay, so let's conclude it over here. So at this moment we are adding our fragrance to our liquid detergent. Okay, then we stir and add our color to it. We are adding our color, okay? We are using blue color, okay? So guys, Charlie, this is how thick and nice our soap is. So we are adding fragrance and preservative also to our fabric softener, okay? Alright, so at this moment we are going to package them into these yellow containers. Then we will use it as and when we need. So before we do that, let's go and wash.
There is a tap connected to the machine. So it is connecting from the tap through this tube into the machine. So that is the tap flowing into the machine. So after filling to the normal level or whichever level you want, you have the low, medium and the highest level. So we are filling it to the lowest level now because the stuff we are coming to wash, there are not many like that. So after that you close your tap. After that I get my liquid soap, the one that we just done. I add a portion of it into the water. So at this point I add a reasonable portion of the liquid soap into the washing machine. This is how it goes, a reasonable portion, otherwise it will be too much for me. Already our liquid soap is very thick, good, the smell, everything is on point. So you need just a little portion of it to do your washing. So after that, you now put your stuffs you are coming to close. You are coming to wash one after the other. So I pick first one, I dip it in, the next one, this one to the last one. After that, I use my hand to push the clothes into the water very well. I just use my hand. I am using my hand because I have not connected it to electricity. You don't have to be using your hand while the pen is connected to electricity. You do it, then after that you connect it finally to electricity. At this point, how it is foaming. I used to buy washing Omo, washing powders, other detergents. They were not foaming like this. But that's the first time using the liquid soap. I've seen a lot of difference. Now I'll have to cover it. Then connect it to power, electricity. So this is the plug of the washing machine. I have an extension board ready here. I connect like this, then power comes. Then from there, I now turn it to the number of minutes I want it to wash. So as they are bed sheets and they were very dirty, I'll turn it to 15 minutes for it to wash. So from the look of things, you can see that it has started washing. It is foaming so well. From the video, you can even see it through the video, or from the video you can see. Now the water is being covered with foam. You can see it for yourself. Guys, you need not waste money on detergents in town. Get yourself a homemade liquid detergent. Get yourself a homemade liquid detergent and you will never regret. It is tried and tested. Tried and tested. And even if you cannot do it by yourself, you contact LBS and they can help you get a home service. Yeah, they can come around, help you, teach you how to go about it, and finally you'll be okay. You need not buy anything in town. You do your things in the house and use it for the washing machine. After 15 minutes of washing with the washing machine, guys, look at how foamy the water is. I can't even see anything. It's full of foam. And the bed sheets in it are so clean. I'm just trying to bring out one so that you see how clean it is. Let's have a look at this. So clean. So clean. I'm not coming to rinse it. But guys, this one, you need not to be told again. Seeing is believing. The clothes are so clean. Kind courtesy liquid detergents. Homemade liquid detergents from LBS. Guys, rush and get yourself one to help you save a lot of money. So get yourself or contact them and be safe. Don't forget to subscribe.
So guys, all said and done, this is how our liquid detergent works. Very effective. Okay, so if you like this video as usual, you just have to subscribe so that you will be notified of all the other videos we post later on. So shall you contact us and let's train you how to do your own liquid detergent and fabric softener for your family. to save you a whole lot of money, as we keep on saying. LBS Network, we say we love to do this. So, bye.